Trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Hey guys, welcome to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream and Hold Me Down Gel. So yeah, if you're interested in those products, continue to watch this video. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so if you hear some crunching going on in the background, can't tell if my camera focused in or not. My dogs are eating why they chose to eat while I'm recording, I don't know. But let's get into the video. So I will be reviewing the, I think it's Taliah Waajid Curl Cream and the Green Apple and the Olay Nutrition Hold Me Down Jelly. It's my first time trying both of these products. So my hair is already freshly washed. I washed it last night, and if you guys want a video on my wash routine, just let me know. Comment down below if you do, if that's something you're interested in. And I already applied the curl cream to my hair. I applied it last night after I washed it when I was doing my protective style. So in this video, we're just gonna see what the curls look like, and I'm going to style my hair. I plan on doing like a half up, half down look, like ponytail up here probably, and then just leave the back down. So yeah, let's get into it. So, I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but so far my curls look really good and moisturized. I have a spray bottle here with water and some conditioner in it. I'm just gonna spray it to kind of loosen my curls up some so that I can style it. I'm gonna try to zoom in some on my curls so y'all can kind of see how the curl cream works. So I think it definitely defined my curl pattern more. I'm gonna take the jelly and put it on my hair to try to brush it up into a ponytail. Just realized I don't have a ponytail holder. How am I putting my hair in a ponytail? If my camera doesn't look focused in, I don't know what's going on with it today. I don't know y'all, I don't know. But I'm gonna take this jelly and just put it on my hair like regular gel. Okay, so this is not a part of the review, but this is just my current favorite edge control, so to speak. It's a control paste, but I use it like edge control. And it's by Curls. It's the Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. And I'm just gonna apply it as well. Okay, so right off the back, I don't feel like the jelly should be used as a gel. Let me see what the instructions say. Can be used for curl definition and slicking down wet or dry hair for styling and hold. Perfect for twist outs, updos, ponytails, roller sets, straw sets, and much more. Provides maximum style hold without flaking or crunchy feels. I don't know if y'all can see it, but my hair is already frizzing up some. So I don't think I'll actually use it as a gel. I gotta take this off. I don't think I'll actually use it as a gel. I may try it again as like a part of my twist out routine or something, but as far as my ponytail goes, no, I won't do that. I am going to go grab my handy dandy Eco Style and I'll be back. Okay, so I know a lot of people have mixed reviews, excuse me, allergies are acting up. Mixed reviews or mixed feelings about Eco Style gel, but it is the only gel that I can use that actually lays my natural hair down. Does it flake sometimes if you put too much on? Yes, it will, but it is the only gel that will lay my hair down. I will say this, my curls are like super duper defined. Like they are really defined. Could just literally leave my hair like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist down for the sake of this video. This is what the curls on the back look like. So all I'm gonna do is wet them in the back and just separate them.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole.
Are y'all seeing these curls?
With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go.
Okay, so we're back with my final thoughts. I had to go get myself together a little bit to finish this up. But so I would highly recommend the Curly Curl Cream. If you don't have it, go get it. Like, my curls have never been this defined. There's no flaking, you don't see any whiteness. I mean, my hair is moisturized, it's not dry. Sis, go get it. Go get it. As far as the gel or the jelly goes, I wouldn't use it as like a holding gel or a styling gel. I think it's probably better for your twist outs, like they said, or braid outs, as far as definition wise go. But as far as laying your hair down, no. I have type 4 hair, and it can be a little, I don't want to say thin because it's not thin, but it crawls a lot. My hair tends to crawl, so I have to have styling gel that is, you know, gonna keep it from crawling, because that's what it does, which is why I use Eco Style most of the time, and I may mix something else with it, but for the most part, Eco Style keeps my frizz under control. A lot of other gels don't. So as far as the gel or jelly goes, yeah, I mean, at your own discretion, you decide if you think it works best as a styling gel or if you would just use it as a curl definer. But this, go get it. Like, yes, go get her. Go get her now. You can purchase both of these products at your local Walmart as well. That's where I got them from. So yeah, you can get them from Walmart. They're really not that expensive. It is a woman-owned brand. And they do have, you know, all the socials if you want to, but it is for curly, kinky, wavy, and coily hair textures. So type 3, type 4 hair, I highly recommend. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, more reviews. I plan on bringing more natural hair stuff to my channel because I don't feel like I do that as much, even though I am natural. Comment down below if y'all are interested in things like that. As always, thank you for the support. If you like the vibe, join the tribe, and I will catch you in my next video.
So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, somebody told me I should hit